Welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about Agarose Gel Electrophoresis with integrated power supply. In this unit, you will have a buffer tank with a lid that will be connected to a power supply. The buffer tank is equipped with two electrodes linked to the tank, black for the anode, negative, and red for the cathode, positive. The power supply offers a wide range of options. Let's examine each one individually. It has a start-stop button, a pause button, and a voltage button with wide range of voltage settings from 18 volt to 135 volt. It features a timer switch along with two additional buttons for adjusting the duration, allowing for increased or decreased timing. The device also features an LED display to monitor the time. This unit includes three types of gel trays. First one is of dimension 60 into 60 mm quantity. Second one is of dimension 120 into 60 mm, one quantity. This unit comes with a variety of combs. Let's take a closer look at each one separately. First one is 3x2, well comb of 2 mm thickness, one quantity. Second one is 25x11 well comb of 1 mm thickness, 2 quantity. Third, gel tray is of dimension 120 into 120 mm, one quantity. Place it inside the casting stand and pour the gel solution. Third comb is of 18x8 well of 1.5 mm thickness, one quantity. Lastly, this one is of 13x6 well of 1.5 mm thickness, one quantity. Place the combs inside to create wells and let it polymerize. After the gel is set, slowly remove the combs and place the tray inside the tank. Connect the electrodes to the power supply. Close the lid. Your setup is ready to use.